Can you track a drone with a drone? Well, in this video we're gonna figure it out, because I'm gonna try to track the DJI Mini 3 Pro with the DJI Mini 4 Pro. So what we're gonna do is that I'm gonna take the DJI Mini 3 Pro up into the air, and then I'm gonna take the DJI Mini 4 Pro and see if I can lock onto it. Then we're gonna take the next one. So if we do it like this, let's put it into cinematic, both of them. So they don't move so fast. If we go into the settings and then we go to, controls, subject scanning, then it's gonna show up on the display whatever subjects we can actually track. And that thing is not showing up. Let's see if we go like this. If I go into the frame, then I show up as a trackable object, but the drone doesn't. Let's try. So what if we go further down instead? Maybe like this. Look, it actually locked onto it. Look, it is locked on. So if I move the DJI Mini 3 Pro, look here. If I move the drone a little bit, it actually looks like you can track it. Yeah, subject lost. So it seems like you can track another drone with the DJI Mini 4 Pro, but not a small drone like the DJI Mini 3 Pro. So if you have a bigger drone, feel free to try it, but at least you won't be able to track a tiny drone. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.